I just found a better way to send large files to clients, and it's faster, more private, and way more professional than Google Drive or WeTransfer. If you've ever tried sending large files to a client, you already know the struggle. Slow uploads, annoying permissions, file limits, and worst of all, clients saying, "I can't access the file." But recently, I discovered a tool called Kinet, and honestly, it solves almost all of these problems in a much cleaner way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, why it's better, and when you should switch. Let's be real, most people use Google Drive, Dropbox, or WeTransfer. But they all have issues like file size limits, permission headaches, cluttered UI, no control after sending, privacy concerns. And if you're working with clients, these problems don't just annoy you, they make you look unprofessional. This is where Kinet comes in. Simple file sharing, expiring links, no unnecessary tracking, clean experience. It's basically built for people who just want to send files without the drama. Let me show you how to use Kinet in under 2 minutes. To send file with Kinet is very simple. Just upload your file, set expiration and password, generate link, and send to client. That's it. No folders, no permission issues, no confusion. Here's why I prefer this over Google Drive or WeTransfer. It has a faster workflow, cleaner client experience, more control over files, and better privacy. It's not trying to be everything. It just does one job really well. Now, who should use this tool? Kinet is made for freelancers, video editors, designers, agencies, content creators. If you send files to clients regularly, this is a no-brainer. If you're tired of file sharing headaches, you should definitely try Kinet. And if you found this useful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps the channel grow a lot. Also, check out my next video where I show you the best AI tools every creator should be using right now.